Hello my dear students, this is Akash SD. Welcome to the ASD physics classes. Hope so doing really great. So students, in this video we are going to solve the question from the chapter motion in a plane, especially the projectile motion, ground to ground projectile motion. Okay, so let's go through the question. So the question is, a ball having kinetic energy KE is projected at an angle of 60 degree from the horizontal. What will be the kinetic energy of ball at the highest point of its flight here? Okay, so first let's note down the data. What data is given here? Theta is given here. How much here? Theta is given here 60 degree. Okay, so let's take here, for example, here we are projecting the body with velocity u. Okay, and how much angle is there? Theta angle is there. Is it? Kinetic energy is the which quantity? Scalar quantity. Okay, so here will not write u cos theta I cap, u sin theta j cap, nothing. Only this is the magnitude of the velocity or speed. Now, so if we talk about here at point O, where at point O, kinetic energy is what? The kinetic energy is given by half m u square here. Now, kinetic energy is what is there at projection point, half m u square. Now what will happen that here when the projectile will move from point O to the highest point? Let's take the highest point is A. Okay, so at the highest point, you know what will happen? A is the highest point. That means the body is not going more upward. So here the vertical component of the velocity is 0. Okay, and what about the horizontal component? Horizontal component of the velocity, if I write here, let's take for example Vax, this will be u cos theta. U cos theta, and here remember that here there is no acceleration in the horizontal direction, no air resistance and all. Okay, so whatever horizontal component is here, that means u cos theta, same horizontal component will be at point A, provided there is no air resistance. Okay, so Ax how much here? 0. That means acceleration along the x direction. In y direction acceleration is there, Ay equal to plus minus g, anything you can tell. Okay, so this is the situation. So now after that, students, if we talk about here at point what? At the highest point at point A. Okay, so here let's take kinetic energy. I am writing here KE dash. What is the formula? Half m, and here what is the speed? You can write here u cos theta whole square here. Okay, so I can write here, kindly see very well, half mu square into cos square theta. Now, so here we can write here KE dash is equal to half mu square is what here? You can see from the equation 1 KE. Okay, so KE, and here what is given here? Cos square theta. Now I can write here KE. Theta value how much is given here? 60. Cos 60 value 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 here, it will become square, so it will become here KE by 4 here. Now KE by 4, which option is there? Option B. And remember that here this KE dash is the highest point here, the kinetic energy will be minimum, potential energy maximum, kinetic energy will be minimum. Remember that here. Okay, can you see very well? Is it? So students, I hope so. This very basic question based upon the ground to ground projectile motion is very clear to you. Keep studying, keep growing.